beautiful morning. Excited to take this little truck for a rip. I'm just gonna get a little higher, a little more into there's less people. Take this thing for a rip. Welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. Today we take out the Defender with the helmet cam, action cam, or whatever you want to call it. Just along this nice path and see what kind of fun footage we can get. Enjoy the video. And thanks for watching as always. Talked about the car in a while. This thing it's a lot of fun in the snow. Actually, the track kit was difficult to put on, but you know, it's worth it. It's gives me something to do in the winter. And yeah, it just kind of plugs along on these trails pretty nicely. Definitely eats the batteries quite quickly though. So bring a few with you. I usually bring 4. They last about maybe 10 or 15 minutes each, depending how hard I full throttle, but all in all, lots of fun. You certainly have to pay attention to what you're doing driving this little thing though. With the tracks, it steers pretty quickly and kind of bobs all over the place. But it's doing pretty well. This is full throttle here. Stop for the third battery. Just one last film shot through the rest of this little path, and I think I can connect to the bottom there. Back on the trail we go. Definitely a beautiful morning here in the park. Glad I can get out and enjoy the RC. Lots of fun. But I think this will be the last bit for me. I'll make sure to include in the description all the parts I put on, as always. And thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoy what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. I can keep getting more videos out to you. Thanks again for watching.